How to recover my Facebook account if it is disabled. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Facebook account if it is disabled. If you can still receive emails or texts from Facebook, try resetting your password. Then check your spam folder and ensure your connection is stable. If you can't receive codes, wait a few minutes and try again. If you've lost access to your email or phone number, visit facebook.com/hacked on a device you've used before. You can also try using a different email or phone number associated with your account, ensuring they're entered correctly with the country code. If you can't access your email, contact your email provider for recovery. Once you regain access, proceed with the Facebook account recovery. If these steps don't work, you can submit a form to Facebook's support team to request a review of your disabled account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.